At the end of a case, why does an insurance company send a letter to the client letting them know that they just sent the check, the settlement check, to the attorney? Would you like to learn the answer? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law in the state of New York. At the end of the case, if you are successful in obtaining a settlement, the insurance company is going to send a check directly to the attorney. Now, at the same time, they are also going to send you, the client, a personal letter telling you that they just sent the settlement check to the attorney. Why do they do that? They do that for one key reason. Many years ago, insurance companies would send the check directly to the attorney. And there were some very unscrupulous attorneys who would never let the client know that the check was received, and they would take the check and either cash it and use it for their own purposes or do something else with it and never give it to the client. Needless to say, those attorneys hopefully were disbarred for their actions. So what happens now is that the insurance company not only sends the check to the attorney that's made payable both to the attorney and to the client, but they also send a personal letter to the injured victim letting them know that they have just sent the settlement check to the attorney. This way the client knows that the attorney has received the check, and now they can follow up and find out when they're going to expect their net share of the proceeds of the settlement. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an idea and an insight into what goes on in the litigation process here in the state of New York. You know, chances are you have questions of your own about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day, and I welcome your call. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. Well, that's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.